Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Daawadayaal waydiin salaamay aniga maalin Hilqaan abdi aden oo channelka Hilqaan aan ka soo hadlayo maanta casharkeena wuxuu ku saabsan yahay jacayl buu ku saabsan yahay jeelkaas oo ah before you die it is better for you to know what love is. After that forget the love totally. macnaheedu ay tahay intaadan dhiminin waxa ka fiican inaad ogaato wixii jacaylku yahay kadibna in iska keenoodo jacaylkiiba marka casharadaas ayaan mise casharkaas ayaan soo talgalnay anigoo Hilqaan daawasho wacan fadlan hadad ku subtay channelkeena ha ka iloobin subscribe like comment fikirkaaga waa noo muhiim wixii adiga fikirna noo wado waa nala soo xiriiri kartaa dhanka commentiga. Okay, welcome back again my dear friends of YouTubers. Before you die, it's better to know what a love is. After that, forget the love totally. My name is Lohari. I am among one of the Hagadarian teenagers. Today here, I want to forward you my feeling affairs. So, if you have a heart, please give me your attention. I loved a girl who was my neighbor, and therefore we were in a same class. My darling was beauty like Katrina Kaif. But my dear listeners, I was the one who was dying these 4 letters, and she was not carrying me the Lord of love. Was already been said, love does not die but lovers dies. Love does not die but lovers dies. One day as we were walking our way to school, I spotted her and started telling her a fake history. But what I wonder myself, up to now, I have not got its solution, which it was. Before you die, it's better to know. Before you die, it's better to know what love is. After that, forget the love totally. The girl was not ready to make a love with me, and she was ready to be educated girl. To ask you now, am I fine like this way? Thank you. Let me go ahead. Let me just translate you to Kisomali. Before you die, enter than the money. Before you die, enter than the money. It's better to know inat ugato what Allah is. After that, kedibna forget iskilo the love ja'alka totally. The man iskilo. In Somali, معناها الصوماليان هاي لم يتاي أنت أذن منين أنت أديك من وحكفي أن توجاتو جعل كلية إن سكوات إن أوجاتو كدمنا إن أديك جعل كدام إن سكيلو دبا. Okay, now let us go. My name is Lohari. Magi igwa Lohari. I am among wahankatir sana hai one of the Hagadarian teenagers dalanyarada Hagadera. Today here halkamanta I want to hand donaya to forward in a so bandigo my feeling affairs afarihiga darenka. So says daradeda. If you have a heart, hadi qalbi ad leedahay, please fallan give me your attention. Attention ka see. I loved a girl wahanjalade gabar banjalade who was taso hanjirte my neighbor deristiga. And therefore kasi we were in a same class half fasal banahanjirna. We were in a same class half fasal ayan ahanjirnay. My darling Habib Teida was beautiful hay uqur badneed like Katrina Kaif sida Katrina Kaif ay uqur badneed. But lakin my dear listeners dhegeystayaal I was the one waxana coffee keli who was dying u dhimanayo these 4 letters afartan waraqood. And she was not carrying me ilama sidin the Lord of the love jacelka uleskiisa ilama sidin ba ani keli ajcel ba ihayay. One day hal maalin, as we were walking anago ku socono our way to school, wadadayna school anago hayno, I spotted her, aniga spotted her one dhabeeyay ama one soo dhabeeyay, and started waxaan u bilaabay telling her in ayada u sheego a fake story sheeko wax kama jiraan ah. But laakiin what I wonder myself, naftadeeda waxaan u la yaabanahay up to now ila hadartan, I have not got its solution. Aniga no ma helin halkeeda. Arinta aniga ilaya aan ula yaabanahay maanta macnaha ma aan helin macnaha halkeeda, which it was arintaas oo ay ahayd. Before you die, intaadan dhimanin, is better waxay wanaagsan tahay to know inaad ogaato what Allah is sidii jecelku u yahay. After that, kadibna forget ilow the love jecelka totally, gebihaan ilow. The girl gabadha was not ready, diyaar uma ahayn to make a love with me in aniga jecel ila samayso, and she was ready, waxay diyaar u ahayd to be educated girl, gabar oo wax baratay inaan noqoto. To ask you idin weydiyo now hadartan, am I fine like this way? Sidan miyaan ku qumanahay? Am I fine like this way? Sidan miyaan ku qumanahay? Thank you for listening to me. I am teacher Hilqaan, abdi aden. Please, if you are new to our channel, and if this video you like it very well, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, to like, to comment. Otherwise, I eventually like you to like my video. Otherwise, you are the one who will be make me high sky rockets, and I like your development. Your development is your success is my success. For my success is your success. Otherwise, thank you. One thing, forget the past and fight for the future. I like you, my friend. Thank you.